Hi guys, what's up? It's me. You know, you're here. It's me. My name's down there. It's me. It's not my name. It's my channel. But y'all, it's me. Today's video is brought to you by coffee because I have not had any today. And I've got some. And I'm going to drink it. And I'm very excited. But today, I'm going to bring y'all Naked Reloaded. Guys, look at this packaging. Sorry I look like a bum today. Don't care. Only day off this week. We're going to enjoy it. But y'all, let's start with this packaging. I love this. It's like, I want to say there's orchids on here. They look like orchids, but like sandy colored orchids. This packaging, it's so squishy. I saw it in the Gummy Bear commercial. It's so squishy. But no, the colors in here are actually really nice. Ooh, there's a fuzz in it. I've used this before, but I haven't done like a full look with it. So that's what we're going to be doing today. But y'all, these colors. Y'all, these colors are like, look at that. They're beautiful, and my cats have gone full, so if you see something, just like go, pew, it's a cat. It's a cat. But no, I think, I already had my whole, I just slapped some foundation on because I'm just like, not today. And I still have that real breakout situation around here. I'm just like, ugh. But, got my primer on, my eyebrows are filled in because that's as far as I'm getting today, honestly. Need to wash my hair. I feel disgusting. But I've got the rest of the day. I slept until like 11 because, you know, why not? But it was nice. Like, I got up at 8 because I had somewhere to be. And I got an email at like 8:05 saying, hey, 10 doesn't work, but can you come in at 9? I live 30 minutes away. There was no way I was going to have myself out of the house and in town by 9. That means I would have had 30 minutes to get myself together, have my coffee, have all the papers I need. I wasn't even sure what I needed. That's why I got up so early. But yeah, ain't no way that was going to happen today. And I'm just like, hey, is there another morning this week that works? And the lady gave me another morning, and it was like 11. And I work pretty much every other day this week. But I go in at 1. And the place I need to go is like an hour away from where I work. I'm just like, no, honey, that ain't gonna work. So, I'm just like, is there any other mornings that work for you? Because that's not gonna work for me. But yeah. So I'm waiting to hear back from her. It's about like payroll stuff and all that. I'm just like, okay, this is fine. I guess I'll just be broke. I'll just work for free. Yeah, I'll just work for free. That's the rate I'm at right now. But y'all, I'm wearing like my favorite hoodie. I hardly ever wear it because it's just so warm. But I'm wearing my favorite hoodie. I don't think you can see it, but it's from this cute little website. It's called storedogdog.net. It's this Chinese store. Oh my gosh, they have the cutest stinking stuff. They've got like anime things, like Totoro pins. They have little carbon keychains. They have so much cute stuff, and they're accessories. I had the phone case. I don't know if y'all saw it or not, but it was the Boys Tears one. That's where it came from. I love that place. That is like my aesthetic, and I'm here for it. I need a darker color. I don't want to use this like dark brown because that's like, and I'm not a person, you know, but we'll see. I'm gonna try it. I'm scared. Oh, hey. It's not as I thought it was gonna be. I'm impressed. Go Urban Decay, look at you. Like, it's stupid ass phone. I need to, like, get rid of it. But it's pigmented, but it's not, like, hyper pigmented where it's, like, scary to use. But yeah, it's really nice. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna pause for a minute. I need to wash my makeup brushes because they're like actually white. This does not look white to you. No, I need to wash them. And if anyone wants to like come volunteer and wash my makeup brushes, please feel free because there's a lot. I think I'm gonna do a little this right here. I should probably be telling you the colors I'm using, but I keep forgetting. I think I did Blur all over, and then I did Bright on the top, and then Bucked was on my lid crease section. Then I did Endgame on the corner and Burn right here, and I think I'm gonna go back with some Angel Fire in the little inner corners. Cause it's just like, hey, let's add some depth and dimension to your face. So I don't know if y'all know this about me, but back in high school, and honestly, still now, I want to be an artist. But yeah, that was fun. Oh, y'all, I got this Wet n Wild pencil. It's not a pencil, it's eyeliner. I got this Wet n Wild eyeliner from Target the other day. I don't know what's gonna happen. We're gonna try it. I hope it works. Like, I got the pencil because I felt like the felt was getting, like, really harsh. And, like, like, you couldn't blend it. And I kind of want to blend this. Oh, hey. Like, I feel like I have a lot more control with this. What is on my eyelid? Okay. Whatever. Ooh, hey, I'm here for this. Okay. New favorite. Let me see if I can get this eye. I hope I can get this eye even because I never can because I can't see out my right eye for the most part. So I'm like always doing my left eye like blind. I kind of like, I'm impressed with myself half the time. But yeah. So that's why I keep this eye open whenever I do anything to this eye pretty much. So I'm just kind of amazed at myself. Or either if it's closed, I'm doing it based on how it feels. Ooh, hey, look at that. So I haven't used like a pencil eyeliner in years. Like actual years. So I'm impressed. I'm here for this. Oh wow, chill. Just drew on my hand, so that's fun. But y'all, quick, easy, I love it. I don't think I'm gonna have to like edit or cut anything out of this. Like, I'm proud of myself. Like, look, they're beautiful. Mascara, I need that. Oh y'all, I got this in my Birchbox the other day. It's Clarins. It is mascara 44 and like D, not like 40. Wow, I need sleep. It's chill though. But I'm very happy with this. I might end up buying the full size. But yeah, I signed up for a Birchbox subscription. So far, I'm pleased. Oh wow. Like, look at that. I don't know if you can see that from there, but like, oh my gosh, look at this. I'm very happy. But yeah, Urban Decay Naked Reloaded. Yes. Thoughts, comments, concerns, down in the comments. See you later. Wow, I need help.